I don't think people understand how a parent with dementia can easily lose a large part or all of their assets. This can easily be prevented with the right planning ahead of time to protect them from loss. My name is Micek, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in New York State. I help make sure that people can leave their assets to their family and not to the nursing home. I make videos that teach people and their elderly parents about how they can use elder law to save their assets and get free end-of-life care. So if you'd like to learn more, watch my videos or visit my website. One of the most common questions I get from the children of aging parents is around the question of dementia and how to protect their parents' assets and ultimately their inheritance. There is currently an epidemic of dementia in this country, and a large number of seniors have suffered from it, including my own mother. Let me tell you about some of the crazy stories that people have come to me with about people with dementia and what they have done to lose their assets, all because they failed to do the proper planning. There was an 85-year-old woman who started having minor fender benders and damage to her car because she really shouldn't have been driving. Her children consulted her doctor and her license was taken away. Her car was also sold, and her children explained the reasons for these things to her. Well, about a week later, that woman went out and purchased a brand new $50,000 car and drove it home. Unfortunately, on the way home, she did some serious damage to several parked cars and also rear-ended another car stopped at a light. Then she just continued to drive home. The police tracked her down and several large lawsuits were filed against her. Of course, she had no insurance coverage since she had no license and shouldn't have been driving. She lost hundreds of thousands of dollars fighting off and paying off those lawsuits. Of course, she could have been seriously injured or killed, or she could have killed someone else. When her family came to me, I immediately protected all of her remaining assets from any type of loss and got her qualified for free long-term care at home for the rest of her life. If she had done the proper planning with us in the first place, none of her assets would have been lost. We also had another family come to us whose mother had given away tens of thousands of dollars to a Nigerian prince that she met online. We saved the rest of her assets and her house so she could live on them for the rest of her life and then pass them on to her children. The most important thing to remember when dealing with a parent that has the beginnings of dementia is what not to do. And that is, do not wait. You need to go to a qualified elder law attorney and get their assets protected. There's no reason why any family should have to suffer any type of loss to their assets, including paying unnecessarily for long-term care. We can show you how to easily protect your parents' estate so they can keep their same lifestyle. And when they need long-term care, they will get it free at home from the state of New York. That way they can spend the rest of their lives in the family home without ever having to worry about going into a nursing home. Look, nobody wants to think about death or mental incapacity or potentially going into a nursing home, but it's a reality of life. And as with anything else in life, you're better protected when you're prepared. If you want to learn more, please watch my videos or visit my website, or you can give me a call at the number below. We'd be happy to help you.